Have you ever felt that something in your life is constantly blocking your success? No matter how hard you try, problems keeps repeating. Financial struggles, family conflicts, sudden health issues, delay in marriage, or unexplained obstacles in career and business. Many people believe these are simply bad luck or coincidence. But according to ancient spiritual wisdom, sometimes these difficulties may have deeper reasons. In many cases, these problems may be connected to planetary doshas, negative energies, evil eye, or even black magic influences. Understanding the real cause behind these issues is the first step toward finding solution. The importance of Vedic astrology. For thousands of years, Vedic astrology has been one of the most respected spiritual sciences in India. It is not just about a predicting the future, astrology is a powerful system that studies the connection between cosmic energies and human life. Through a person birth chart, an experienced astrologer can understand the hidden patterns influencing someone's life. Astrology can reveal the reasons behind repeated obstacles, the influences of planetary doshas, the person the presence of negative energies, the spiritual causes of suffering. More importantly, astrology also provides remedies and spiritual solutions that can help restore balance and harmony in life. The role of true spiritual guide. In Kerala, astrologers are traditionally called Devatnan, meaning one who understands divine knowledge. A true astrologer is not simply someone who reads a horoscope, a real spiritual guide, studies and ancient scriptures, spiritual practices, and divine wisdom to help people overcome their life challenges. Among such respected spiritual personalities is Brahmasri Pradeep Panikar Guruji. With deep knowledge in Vedic astrology, spiritual rituals, and traditional remedies, Guruji has guided many people who were facing serious problems. How spiritual problems affect a life? Many people unknowingly suffer from spiritual disturbances. Sometimes a person may experience constant financial losses, unexpected problems in business, family misunderstandings and conflicts, marriage delays or relationships problems, mental stress and emotional instability, strange negative experiences that cannot be explained. In certain situations, these problems may be connected to evil eye, jealousy, negative energies, or black magic practices. Without proper guidance, people may continue to suffer without understanding the real cause. That is why spiritual knowledge becomes extremely important. Guidance from Brahmasri Pradeep Kanikar Guruji. Through years of experience and spiritual study, Brahmasri Pradeep Panikar Guruji has helped many individuals identify the hidden reasons behind their problems. By carefully studying a person's horoscope and spiritual condition, Guruji provides guidance and remedies based on ancient Vedic traditions. These remedies may include spiritual prayers or rituals, planetary remedies for doshas, energy cleaning practices, traditional spiritual guidance. Many people who followed these spiritual methods have reported positive changes in their lives. Peace returned to their families. Obstacles began to disappear. New opportunities opened in career and business. Final message. Ending. Life is a journey filled with challenges, but sometimes the problems we face are not visible on the surface. Ancient spiritual wisdom teaches us that understanding the hidden energies influencing our life can help us find the right path. If you are facing repeated obstacles or unexplained difficulties in life, seeking spiritual guidance may help you discover the real reason behind your struggles. Brahmasri Pradeep Panikar Guruji continues to guide people with the knowledge of Vedic astrology and spiritual traditions. Sometimes the right guidance, the right time can completely transform a person's life. And Brahmasri Pradeep Panikar Guruji, his tradition is Muttisheri Taravadu. 410 years experience his family in the astrological field. In Kerala, most famous traditional culture of Muttisheri Taravadu is the fourth biggest family in astrological life. Thank you for watching.